Hi everybody, welcome to Spellings Online. I'm just going to say hello this morning. Hi. Okay, so today we are going to be learning the group of letters U-R-E, your. All you're going to need for today's lesson is a pencil, a piece of paper and a quiet space to do your lesson. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need extra time, and you can refer back to your notes when you're using them in your learning. Okay, so let's start with just a little bit of revision. We're going to recap the spelling OU when it is used in the word touch and young. So it's making like a sound. Okay, so I've given you a little bit of help for the first two. All you need to do is fill in the missing letters for the next ones. And you've got 1 minute to do it. You can write them all out in your book or on your piece of paper. Okay, time starts now. Okay, about halfway through now. All right, let's have a look at how you did. So I did give you a little bit of help with the first one there. The first one here was young, so it's just the Y missing from the front there. The next one was touch, so it's the H on the end there. Okay, this next one here is double. So you see the OU is making like a sound in these words. There we go, double. The next one rhymes with that one and it is trouble. There you go. I'm trying to use my cursive writing here. This one here is enough, which has the GH on the end. So there's your H on the end. This one is rough, but you could have also had tough as well. Tough fits just as well in there. Remember that rhyming is very important with spellings because often if words rhyme, they have the same spelling. Okay, and this last one here is encourage. There we go. Oh, that's not a very good G. There we go. Let's try that again. Encourage. Well done. Okay, so we've revised that sound. Let's move on to today's spelling. So today we are spelling U-R-E. It can be a suffix on the end of words. If it has a T in front of it, it makes the cure sound, as in mixture. If it has an S in front of it, it makes a Z sound, as in measure. And it can also just be used in a word with a different letter pattern in front of it, like cure. Okay, so your job now is that you've got 5 minutes to come up with as many words as you can think of ending with URE. It can be on its own over here with a T making the chur sound or with an S making the jour sound. A good tip again while doing this is to remember your rhyming words. So I've given you one example of each and you've got now 5 minutes to come up with as many more as you can. Your 5 minutes starts now. All right, 3 minutes to go. Okay, just 15 seconds left now. And that's your time up. Okay, let's have a look at some ideas for some words here. Okay, so let's start in this column here. First of all, if we're having words that don't end in S or T, that don't have S or T before, you can have pure, or we could have figure. Those are two words that could go into that section. Okay, with the chaw sound, we could have creature, you could have vulture, we could have furniture, there's also picture, we could have puncture. So there's a list of words that you could go hit there. In this other section over here, we could have treasure rhymes with measure. We can have pleasure rhymes with treasure and measure. We've also got leisure. So there's some words that can go there. So you might have had some different words. If you want to check any of those spellings in the dictionary, you're more than welcome. I'm just going to add one here. This is exposure. That's a good one. Excellent. Okay, well done to you if you got some of those words correct. Remember to look up any in the dictionary that you think are correct that I haven't put here. Remember, this is not an exhaustive list of words. Okay, so here are 4 words that I'd like you to have a go at spelling now. This is when the URE has got a T with it, so it's making a chaw sound. We have here creature, we have here furniture, we have adventure, and we have temperature. I'm going to give you just a minute to write those 4 words. So your minute starts now. We have creature, furniture, adventure, and temperature. You can pause the video at any time. Okay, halfway through, just a few seconds to finish. Remember, they are creature, furniture, adventure, and temperature. Okay, let's have a look, see if you spelled them correctly. There's the spelling for creature. Over here we have furniture. Down here we have adventure. And finally here we have temperature. Okay, 4 words with the ture sound on the end. T-U-R-E. Well done to you if you've got those correct. Okay, now there's 2 here with the jour sound. This is when S is used in front of U-R-E. So we have enclosure and we have treasure. So I'm just going to give you 30 seconds to have a go at writing enclosure and treasure. Okay, let's see how you got on with those ones. So here is enclosure and there is treasure. Obviously, we've done treasure already. So enclosure and treasure. You can see the root word of close in here. So enclosure has both a prefix and URE as a suffix on the end. So enclosure and treasure. Okay, finally, I'm going to add a few words to this. So there's 4 words here that I would like you to put on your vocabulary list. If you don't know what they mean, you can add them, you can look them up in the dictionary. I would also like to add to this the word pressure and the word reinsure. There we go. So 6 words for you to use in your vocabulary list. Look them up in the dictionary, and that is your task for the end of this lesson. Okay, everybody, I hope you have a wonderful day and use your spellings that you've written down today in your writing for the next few weeks. Okay, bye.